Welcome to the Private Pension Project. Most people in their 20s will never receive a traditional pension. Not from their job, not from the government, and definitely not automatically. For previous generations, a pension was the foundation of retirement. You worked for decades and your job guaranteed income for life. Today, that system is disappearing, which means if you want financial security later, you have to build your own version of a pension now. If you're in your 20s trying to build real financial security, this channel is for you. The reality. If you're in your 20s, the retirement system your parents relied on probably won't exist for you in the same way. Traditional pensions used to be common. Stay at one company long enough and you were rewarded with guaranteed income after retirement. But over the past few decades, companies shifted away from pensions and toward 401k style plans. Why? Because pensions are expensive for employers and risky for companies long term. Today, most private sector jobs don't offer pensions. People change jobs every few years. Retirement responsibility has shifted to individuals. You are now the pension plan. Why this matters? If you don't actively build long-term investments, there is no automatic retirement plan waiting for you. Sure, Social Security exists, but it was never designed to fully replace income. It's meant to supplement savings, not be the entire plan. Without preparation, that can mean working longer than expected, downsizing lifestyle later, financial stress in your 60s and 70s. This isn't about fear. It's about understanding the math. So what is a private pension? A private pension isn't an official account. It's a system you create using long-term investments that eventually generate income for you. Think of it as building your own retirement paycheck. Instead of a company funding it, you fund it gradually over time. The core pieces usually include a 401k if your job offers one, a Roth IRA or traditional IRA, long-term index fund investing, and maybe a crypto portfolio. This isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about making sure your future is stable. Here's a simple example. If someone invests $300 per month starting at age 25 and earns a long-term average return of around 7 to 8%, by their 60s, they could potentially accumulate well over $500,000 to $1 million. Not from luck, not from extreme income, from consistency and time. That's what a traditional pension used to provide. Now you build it yourself with more flexibility and control. It's a mindset shift. You can't assume retirement security will be provided automatically, but you can build it deliberately. Every dollar invested early is doing work for your future. Every year you wait makes the process harder. Your job may not provide a pension. The system may not guarantee retirement security. But that doesn't mean you can't have it. It just means you have to build it differently. If you're building long-term financial security without a traditional pension, then you should subscribe because that's exactly what this channel is about.